Welcome back to Vision Auto Garage. In this episode I'm working hard and fast to get this Audi TT back on the road and make some space to work on our MG Midget. I bought this 2001 Audi TT Quattro a few months ago as unrecorded salvage from an online auction. At first sight there was obvious damage to the near side front wing, door and rear quarter. The first thing to do was buy a good used wing and door in the correct colour and fit them. With most of the bodywork damage repaired simply using bolt-on panels, it's time to focus on getting this car back on the road. Although it still has a valid MOT, a road test shows that there's clear problems with the front suspension. On further investigation it needs a near side front coil spring, a near side front lower wishbone, near side front track rod ends, near side and offside inner and outer CV boots, and near side and offside rear shock absorbers. I best get cracking. Thanks in part to the usual standard of German engineering, the front suspension components come apart easy enough. I did however have to cut off a badly corroded track rod end nut. With the damaged components removed from the car, it's a great opportunity to inspect them and see what's actually gone wrong. This rear shock absorber has suffered badly with rust and providing very little damping effect, and it's also not rebounding at all. While I wait for the delivery of the new parts, I'm going to start work on repairing this dent on the rear quarter. Being that this is an earlier Audi TT, the rear quarter panel is in fact steel, so I can use a weld-on stud puller to pull out this dent and re-establish the curves of the arch. It's been a busy day at the garage and I'm now thoroughly filthy. Unfortunately I've not been able to achieve quite as much as I'd hoped and the car's not yet back on its wheels. A delay in parts has meant we've not been able to fit the drive shafts and therefore the front suspension strut has not been refitted. I have however managed to fit the rear shock absorbers, the lower front suspension arm, the front suspension spring and repair the dent on the rear quarter ready for paint. Join me tomorrow where hopefully I finish off getting the car back on its wheels and start prepping for paint. As always, if you'd like any more information or photographs of any of our projects, please check out our Facebook and Instagram accounts on the links below. Thanks for watching.